Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. As you may have heard me mention before, for basically the last year and a half, along with my writing partner, Andrew Walkley, I've been very busy writing third edition of our coursebook series, Outcomes, 2 levels of which are now out. And over recent months, I've been trying to get the elementary level finished off. And to be honest, I've been working flat out on that. And it's left me feeling a little bit frazzled, if I'm honest. Luckily, next month I'll be getting a well-deserved break and I'll be getting a little bit of R&R. So after doing an Instagram live this coming Sunday with a Ukrainian teacher of English, I'll be knocking off for the whole of August. I can't wait. If you knock off, you finish work. Usually we talk about knocking off for the day, but obviously it can be knocking off for the week or knocking off for the summer, knocking off for the holidays. You might ask a friend who you're planning to meet, hey, listen, what time do you knock off work? If someone suggests meeting at 7 o'clock, you might say, I don't knock off until 7:30, so can we make it a little bit later? When you're in the middle of a meeting or in the middle of a work day, you might suggest, hey, let's just knock off for lunch. I could do with a break. And to be honest, sometimes when I'm trying to write, I feel like I'm all out of ideas. So I decide to knock off early or knock off for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. In the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use knock off. And I'll be back at the beginning of September with more of these 1 minute English videos. Thanks for watching so far and thanks for your support.